$6.90. But let me see the rates. $6.90.
$6.92, I think.
Maybe $6.92.
Mm-hmm.
And they have Shark Iron robots. Shark Iron robot.
Mm-hmm.
750.
Mm.
That's Shark Iron robot. Like Shark Iron the robot.
All right, what else you got?
U50.
Okay, baby.
U50. RoboVac.
Oh, RoboVac, yeah.
It's RoboVac. How many? Like this.
Your sock's upside down.
It's flipped back over.
Yeah, that's silly.
It's on my bottom sock.
Yeah, it's supposed to be on the bottom, but it's not. No, it's on the top.
Yeah, it's upside down. And this is Eureka.
It is.
Santa Claus gave me a set.
Yes, he did. Yep.
And then
something.
mops, and cleans. You wanted to clean or you wanted to mop.
Yeah, could do either.
But when you still something on the floor, some days Ruben's mop and they mop on the floor, and then they mop with their mopping pad.
That's right.
And then they mop on the.
Yeah.
Oh!
Yeah, that's right.
I turn it off.
Yeah, I guess you could.
Okay, here's UFI Clean UFI Home, RoboVac. I'm sorry, that's not a valid command.
Oh, you're gonna have to tell him, or probably to turn them on if you want.
What is it?
You're gonna have to tell him it's turn on RoboVac.
Alexa, turn on RoboVac.
Start cleaning.
Yep.
Start cleaning.
Alexa.
Position water tank is empty.
There you go. Yeah, and then you got Eureka going.
Santa Claus gave me that.
Yes.
And Mom.
Okay, here goes Eureka. There goes Yuffie.
The five.
There goes Lefant and Shark.
Roborock.
And Roborock's over here.
He can't get out.
Yeah, you might want to help all of them get out, but you're going to need to make space because there's a lot of cords there. This could be dangerous. All right, who else are you turning on?
We're doing the
Oh, all right, we got to get iRobot too.
Ernie, that's not right. You turn.
Oh, he didn't charge?
That's the light.
Oh, okay, let him charge for it.
Alexa, turn on iRobot. Alexa, turn on iRobot.
You did it, bud.
That's the
Yep, iRobot and all. Eureka, Yuffie, you can connect to your Alexa.
Roborock, OBD.
Yep, we got the mini robots in there.
I'm turning them on.
Yeah, turn them on to clean Peppa Pig's boat and house.
Turn on.
All right, are we done turning them
No,
on?
no.
Oh, Lord, how could I forget?
Start cleaning.
I'll show this everybody.
Okay.
Does
All
that? It is like that.
That's silly.
It's like, and it goes like that. It goes with the wheels, with that, and then
Clean. All right, let's see how well they clean today.
I'll show this one.
Okay?
I'll show this one.
I see them, but they got to clean the house now.
And could you help me watch
It's
them?
Saturday, so we got to go watch them. Make sure they don't go over any cords. All right? Let's go look. Let's go look. I see. It's trapped. We got to help it. All right. Where's everybody else? Let's go look. Everyone's cleaning in the other room. Yuffie and Eureka are out somewhere. Let's go help them. Okay. We'll see how they clean after we give them maybe like an hour.
Mom,
All right. Say bye, Jovi.
bye, Jovi. Bye, everybody. Bye.
Bye, everybody.